And that's always playing with fire. When you launch one in the direction of number 24.
He's an instinctive player. He's an aggressive player.
He has the speed.
A complete corner.
With the 7th pick, the Washington Redskins select Champ Bailey, defensive back, University of Georgia.
Urban matched up with Darrell Green at the top of your picture. Troy Aikman. Pass. Champ Bailey intercepted by Champ Bailey. And Bailey with his first NFL interception.
Picked off by Bailey. Champ Bailey. Touchdown. The second interception of his young career. Former under pressure. Somehow got out of the pocket, throws on the run. Short and intercepted by Champ Bailey. 4 yards in total offense tonight. Dave Brown trying to add to it. And Champ Bailey with his 3rd interception of the night.
McNabb being rushed by Bailey. Wow! What a blitz by Champ Bailey. And Plummer with the slam, and it's intercepted. And it's Champ Bailey.
Out of the shotgun, Gus Verrott. Throwing down the right side, intercepted. Champ Bailey.
I got to pass the baton off to young Champ Bailey.
And he picked up the first down. Batch in trouble. Gets the pass away. And it's caught. Herman Moore again. No, it was picked off. Looked like Moore had it, but Champ Bailey made the interception. Off the play fake. Batch rolling right. Fires downfield. And it's picked off by Champ Bailey. His 2nd interception. And Champ Bailey is in and splits out to the right side. George fires and completes to Champ Bailey. Out of bounds across the 30-yard line. His first reception in the NFL.
Waits, throws it over the middle, picked off in the end zone. Out comes Champ Bailey on 10, 15, 20. There's an angle on him. They caught him at the 40-yard line.
3rd down and 5. Champ Bailey, first down and more. Into Cardinals territory.
Champ Bailey.
Oh, he's a heck of a player. He might be better on offense than he is defense.
To Pittman, rolling right, looking end zone. Can't find it, one down, throws. And it's intercepted by Champ Bailey, who's done just about everything but kick field goals today for the Washington Redskins.
Here's the slant to Boston, picked off. It's the return. It's Bailey. Champ Bailey with his interception.
Garcia looking to put it in the air, has a lot of time. Going to the end zone, and the pass may be picked off by Champ Bailey. And he does. Bailey intercepts the pass. Getting pressure from the corners, and the pass is intercepted by Champ Bailey.
Brady gonna go deep down this sideline looking for Gibbons, and that's picked off by Champ Bailey. Direct snap to Falk coming around the right side. Can't find a block, lost the football. Bailey lost it. Diving on it at the 5.
Panthers leading the Redskins 10-3. Smith, and immediately by Champ Bailey.
Probably one of the best tackling cornerbacks I've ever seen play.
And Champ Bailey is such a good player. I mean, he's a good tackler, good cover guy.
Maybe the best tackling cornerback in the NFL at Champ Bailey.
The final piece of this deal came into place Tuesday night, that being Bailey's new 7-year, $63 million deal with the Broncos that makes him the highest paid cornerback in history.
There's Champ Bailey on offense. They're coming after Trent Green. Trent shook away from 2 of them. Another chasing, and the pass is intercepted by Champ Bailey.
Well, Brooks goes back at it. Has to throw this one deep in the end zone.
I want you to watch Champ Bailey. Watch his left foot there. Now watch his right foot. It doesn't seem possible, but he hits it down in the field of play. That is an interception by Champ Bailey.
When you think about, Champ Bailey and what he does, number 1 is production. Number 2, it's consistency. He's one of the guys that stays around the football.
Crazy. Y'all crazy.
He's going to deflect a lot of passes.
Excellent reaction by Champ Bailey.
That's batted down by Champ Bailey.
He can prevent the quarterback going that way sometimes.
wish he would.
Breeze. Intercepted. That's going to be a touchdown. That is Champ Bailey, one of the best in the business. Here they come. Chased by Gerard Warren. And the pass is intercepted by Bailey. Was he inbounds? Yes, he was.
In working the short passes, there's Bailey. Bailey with no one near it. Touchdown, Denver. Trent Green with protection. Ball in the air and picked off. Standing in. Long ball to the end zone. He's picked again. Coming after Grady. Gets it away. He's picked. He's picked in the end zone. It's Bailey. Bailey taken off, and he gets away from the one man who had a shot at him. Running it back 100 yards before Watson comes in at the last minute.
This guy is very crafty.
It's a pass. It's a pass.
Very smart.
Watch for the run. It's going to be a run. Hey, quarters. 2 quarters. If we get caught like that, just stay back.
When you're facing him, you got to bring your A game.
McNair throwing the other way. Jump ball. Picked off. Champ Bailey.
In 4.5 games. And that pass is picked off by Bailey.
3rd down and 7. And intercepted. Getting away from Warren. And intercepted again. It's Bailey for the 2nd time.
The fake to him. Hasselbeck going deep down the sideline. The coverage is great, and it's Champ Bailey with the interception.
One of the things you got to do. Bailey has a pick. Bailey has an interception. What a start for them. And he throws down the field. He's picked for the 2nd time by Champ Bailey. Bailey weaving through, and they're going that way. And the pass is picked by Bailey. They challenged him and they paid for it.
To the 35, Smith. Through the hands of Gordon and intercepted. Champ Bailey, no one in front of him except Alex Smith. And he gets a block. Touchdown, Denver Broncos.
He does everything the right way, from off coverage to press, and he stays intense.
Come on! Try me like that! How they gonna try me like that?
Travis Taylor is the 3rd receiver. And here's McCown, and that was intercepted by Bailey. Was he inbounds? Yes, he was.
And Brody Croyle fires deep. Picked off! He's had some big games against Denver. The quick throw. Bailey makes a big play right off the bat. This afternoon for the Broncos. Double tight end set. Edwards didn't see the blitz. Champ Bailey came firing through.
Romo steps up and throws wide. And it's Bailey with a pick.
Back to that original option. He's intercepted. It's Champ Bailey with the pick.
Hasselbeck on 2nd and goal. He throws, and it is picked off.
Rivers unloads toward Malcolm Floyd. Intercepted by Champ Bailey.
To set the edges against both these backs.
Castle. He is buried by Champ Bailey.
On 1st down, Palmer going to go deep down the sideline. It is picked off by Champ Bailey.
Coming in Roethlisberger. Shakes off the hit. Throws back away by Bailey. Big time play. It was going to Hines Ward.
Palmer to throw on 1st down again. Down the middle. And he floated it. And it's intercepted by Champ Bailey. Bailey going the other way. With his 52nd career interception, just like that.
I guess that's when you got that name. I always thought it'd be cool to have a name like that.
There's a champ in the building.
To have a name like Champ kind of says it all.